everybody, how are you doing? You can already see it. We are sitting in the new RS3R made by Abt Sportsline. This is not only power enhancement, but of course a lot of details, exterior and interior wise. You can see RS3R in the seats, those wonderful seats, also with the Abt logo in the seat rest. Also some nice stuff, floor mats inside, mirror caps, etc, etc. So lots of cool looking parts, specifically on the outside. But of course you are here to see how good the car performs 100 to 200. That's why we're using the race box and a free and open Autobahn here to try it out. First things first, a 510 HP, 600 Newton meters. So that means more or less 100 Newton meters and 110 horsepower up from the regular version. But we have to keep in mind this car has a lot of aero outside, which of course produces drag and therefore probably makes the car a bit slower in combination. And we are driving 20-inch wheels all way round, so that's 1 inch bigger and a bigger tire size than what you regular have on a standard RS3. The regular car, as we said, the Sportback with the wing does 9.7 seconds 100 to 200. We tested that with a facelift, and I'm expecting this power upgrade hopefully to do a second faster 100 to 200. Maybe we can manage a time that is even better than that. But without further talking, let's try it out. I'm really looking forward to the numbers, and I'm really looking forward to the discussion under the video. So that was better run, almost flat, tiny bit of correction, but an 8.06. I don't know, probably corrected 8.1, 8.2. So that is M2 competition LCI speed, which is only rear wheel drive and doesn't have the aero. Wow. That was an uphill run, 1% uphill run, 8.7 seconds. So that means a totally uphill run. We're almost a second faster than the stock car. Pwah. Keep in mind, we have seen, let's say, the low 8 seconds, 100 to 200 in those conditions with the 20-inch wheels and the aero. I think there's even a bit more in it if you just compare the sheer power to the pre-facelift. So that means it's a second and a half faster, 100 to 200, which I think is really, really good comparing also those conditions. Also, you have to compare to other cars. I mean, that is speed of an M2 LCI with 480 HP. And yes, that car also probably has 500 horsepower on the real dyno, and it only has rear wheel drive. You have to keep that in mind. Also probably 3 to 4/10 quicker than an M2 CS previous model year with 460 HP, also with only rear wheel drive. So that's something really, really good. So I'm really seeing good times here.